Hi guys, what's going on? So for those of you that have been following me, some time ago I spoke about this amazing platform, and some people have been sending lots of questions as far as this platform is concerned. I'm pleased to inform you that this platform has been paying people. Okay, before I told you that there are billions of dollars online, and just in case you know what to do, you're gonna earn part of it. But just in case you don't, you might really not earn some money. Okay, so I explained about this platform called Eureka some time ago, and some people have been finding it a little difficult to earn, while some people have been earning. Okay, whatever the case is, these are some of the payments which I've seen so far as far as the platform is concerned. I know for those of you, some people will be saying, I'm talking about Eureka, whereas payment is coming from the social loop. Okay, now you know that Eureka is also called the social loop. Okay, it is called the social loop LLC. All right. Now they are indeed paying, and whatever difficulty you are finding on the side, I'm going to explain to you in this video, and I'm going to tell you whether there's a substitute for a platform like this or not. Okay. So if you go over to the application called Eureka, you would notice that they have made millions of payments to members, and they have so many members worldwide. Okay. Now I need to know that this application, even though it's making lots of payments, they may not be available in all countries in the world. Just in case you are finding it difficult to sign up, like they keep telling you, check your connection. It's not that your internet is gone, but it's just that it may not be available in your location. Okay, and then one other key aspect on this platform is the fact that every single day you have lots of tasks to do, and when you complete them, you're gonna earn money in real time, and payment is quite fast. Okay, so just in case this probably is not available in your location, I need to know that there are other substitutes for a platform like this. Well, the substitute is platforms like the pounds.app. Okay, already I spoke about this before, and just in case you really did not come across the video, I need to go watch the video. I'm gonna share it in the I'm going to share it in videos I'll pop immediately after this, and you can go over there and watch the video how to earn on the pounds.app. Pounds.app is one of the applications that are available worldwide, and it works same as the Eureka. Okay, so that is the update for today, and now you've known why you have the errors in recent times where you try to sign up and you see check connection. Okay, all right, so bye bye and stay blessed. Okay.